In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Excel. This is one of the easiest and most practical ways to bring your Excel projects into Notion, so you can manage, edit, and organize your data in one place without constantly switching between apps. To get started, open the Excel file that you want to integrate with Notion. This can be a simple spreadsheet or more detailed project file. Before anything else, make sure your data is clean and organized because whatever you import will appear exactly the same way inside Notion. Once your file is ready, you need to save it in a format that Notion can understand. Inside Microsoft Excel, click on File, then choose Save As. After that, click Browse and select the folder where you want to save your file. In the Save As type option, look for CSV or comma delimited format. Select that option and then click Save. Excel may show a short warning about compatibility, which is normal, so you can simply confirm and continue. This step converts your Excel file into a format that Notion can import properly. Now that your CSV file is saved, switch over to Notion and open the page where you want your Excel data to appear. Once you are on the page, look at the top right corner and click the three dots or the More button. From the menu that appears, choose Import. After clicking Import, select CSV from the list of options. Next, click Choose File and locate the CSV file you saved earlier from Excel. Select it and then click Open. Notion will begin uploading your file. During this process, you may see an option to map CSV headers. This allows Notion to correctly recognize your column titles, so make sure everything looks correct before continuing. Once you are ready, click Import CSV to finalize the process. After the import is complete, your Excel data will now appear as a table inside Notion. From here, you can edit, sort, and customize the information directly in Notion without needing to go back to Excel. This makes it easier to manage projects, track data, and collaborate in one workspace. That is it. You have successfully integrated Notion with Excel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.